Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is properties and uses of oxygen gas. So first we have properties. Number 1, oxygen makes up about 21% of the air by volume. We have already seen this in composition of air. Then it is the most abundant element on the earth. We breathe in oxygen. Students, all the living things use oxygen gas for the process of respiration and breathing, in which they take in oxygen gas and take out carbon dioxide gas. Oxygen is a part of water. As we all know, the formula of water is H2O, so oxygen is there with hydrogen, and it is also the part of sand, that is SiO2, silicon oxide, so oxygen is there with silicon. Then it is colorless, means there is no color, odorless, no smell. It is manufactured by the process of fractional distillation. Then we have ozone, which is a type of oxygen. It is a form of oxygen having the formula O3 instead of O2. In oxygen, the formula of oxygen is O2. Two oxygen atoms are there, and in ozone, O3, there are 3 atoms of oxygen. Our earth also has ozone layer, the protective layer on the earth. This layer protects the earth from harmful rays, for example infrared and ultraviolet rays. Now coming towards the uses of oxygen gas. First of all, it is used in welding of metals. Along with welding, oxygen is also used in the manufacturing of steel. Oxygen is used in breathing apparatus for sea divers, firefighters, and in hospitals, means in oxygen cylinders for the patients. It is also used as a fuel in rockets. Students, oxygen is very reactive and it is involved in many important processes. For example, rusting, combustion, photosynthesis, respiration, and oxide formation. Out of these processes, we have done all except oxide formation. So now moving towards the oxide formation. What are oxides? When oxygen combines with other elements, oxides are formed. Students, oxygen combines with all the other elements except for the rare or noble gases. We will see noble gases in this chapter inshallah. The compounds formed by these reactions are called oxides. There are two types of oxides, metal oxides and non-metal oxides. Most metals burn in oxygen to form oxides. For example, magnesium burns with a brilliant white flame in oxygen and it forms a white powder, that is magnesium oxide. Most non-metal also burn in oxygen forming oxide. For example, carbon dioxide. Students, it was our today's video. Allah Hafiz.